Hi, in this video I'll be showing you the AI insights in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get straight to it. Now, I'm not going to show you a proper presentation. To give you an example, I'm just going to import an icon. And then you'll be able to see as to if an icon can get so much detailing, how much detailing can your slides get. So let's have the rotating cogs inside a brain. That's great. And let's go to, so you go to design, and then under design you have this option called design ideas. So this uses, you see this is a designer, so this uses AI capabilities. So right now it's showing me 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 different options to present one icon that I imported. One icon, and it's giving me 8 different options. So I can increase the size, I could have this line, I could have a circular watermark around it, I could have it inside a frame, this way, this way, this way, this way, or this way. So this is just how an icon can be designed in 9 different ways. Imagine you have your slide, and this is powered by Office Intelligent Services, Microsoft Office Intelligent Services. Just look at the amount of capabilities you would have if you had an entire slide here, and the ideas that design artificial intelligence design tab would give. Although it does not work for all your slides, maybe some of your slides have just images or they're a little unstructured, so it might not work for them, but for the majority of slides it does work. Thank you. I hope you learned something new.